Welcome back. In this video, we'll be building your site diary in Evernote. Specifically, we will create 2 new notebooks, style them appropriately, and then download a set of templates I've made for your use. Let's get to it. This is how your desktop client will look when you first open it. To get to know Evernote, I advise you go through the 5 basic steps. To get on with this tutorial, however, we'll close them out. This is the note you created when we first opened our account. It's not needed, so delete it. In the left panel, you'll see your notebooks displayed near the top. Expand the list to see the default notebook Evernote gives you to start with. We're going to add 2 more. The first is titled Site Diary. Add a prefix 1 to keep it as the top notebook. The second is titled Filed Site Diary. Add a prefix 2 to keep it as the second notebook. I'll explain its purpose when we collate entries in a later video. Let's add a style, so our notebook stands out. This is useful if you create more notebooks later on and wish to find your site diary at a glance. To complete your setup, all you need now are some templates. In the notes below, you'll find a link to this file, where I've saved a number of templates for you to use. Click to load a template in a new window, and select Save Copy to Evernote to save it to your account. The web version of your Evernote will load, and there you'll see your copy. Let's go get another template. Now you have 2 templates. Let's head over to your desktop client. Sync your Evernote. And there are your 2 template copies. Remove the word copy from each. They're yours after all. To save these templates on your own account, find Save as Template beneath the 3 dots on the right-hand side. Title the template however you wish. Repeat to save the other template. Now return to the template file using the link below and go get the other templates. Also on that file, you'll find the Whole Engineer Site Diary template. We'll use this in a later video on collation. You'll mostly be accessing your templates from your mobile device. But before we go, I'll quickly show you where to find them on your laptop. Create a new note, click Template, and you'll find them there under My Templates. That's it. Join me in the next video with the Whole Engineer.